when my father was here in the World War I, when America went into entered the war. So he was, he wasn't drafted, but you had to sign up or whatever it is you had to do. And at that time, he was told, he already had my brothers, or one of my brothers was born. One of my brothers was born. And he said, they asked him, they said, you know that Russia is an ally of the United States in the war, which they were. And of course, at that time, remember, Poland belonged to Russia, so even on his, whatever they used to call a Schiff's card, his country of origin was listed as Russia, even though he never thought of himself as Russian, but as a Polish Jew. And they said, you know, if you could fight, if you wanted to fight for Russia, you could fight for Russia and still be. My father said, I don't fight for the Russian Tsar. He said, if America needs me, I will fight. I will not fight for Russia. So that's a story. And he said that when he did go for citizenship, that was noted in his record, that he had said that. So that counted. That was a big plus. And I like that story because to ask him if he would fight for Russia, he ran away from Russia.